Yes. There's 4 of them. Not 3. 4. Wow, they're so cute and fuzzy.
They're so dark. She's behind the big pine tree.
I know, she hasn't come out yet. You wouldn't know what these things are without seeing the mama.
They're so cute.
Oh, she's filming rats in her backyard. Look at that. Oh, I got that one.
Oh, look at him. He's trying to go up the hard way. Mom, I want to be up there with you.
Oh, she's gonna lie down and feed them. Nope. Nope, it's time for you to eat red meat.
I wonder if she's digging up stuff from yesterday. Oh, Jesus. They are too cute.
Oh my God, I got it just right. I can't believe it. See?
Look at that guy. Yep. Look at that guy. Oh, he's up on top now. He's gonna fall down.
Oh, they're wiggling tails. You're gonna go head first down that hole, buddy.
He sure is.
Boop, boop.
Perfect.
Oh my God. He went down the stairs. And back up again.
Isn't that funny how they're so comfortable there?
With a dog barking in their faces. Pretty wild. That's no baby bark.
Oh, Jesus.